Welcome. Let's look at pot belly. The causes of pot belly, some diseases that have been linked to it, and also possible ways of reducing the pot belly. Pot belly is caused by excess belly fat. So when you have excess fat in the abdominal region, this will tend to lead to a protrusion of the belly. The fat within this region can be classified into two types. We have the subcutaneous fat, which means that the fat that is seen below the skin, and this is the subcutaneous fat arrowed in red. So it is seen just beneath the skin. And we have another fat deposited within the viscerals, and these are called the visceral fat, and these are the visceral fat arrowed in blue. These visceral fats are seen around the organs that are located within the abdominal cavity. And this is what is actually responsible for the pot belly. When we have excess of this fat deposited around the organs, it tends to lead to a protrusion of the abdomen. And this is what is referred to as pot belly. Even though they cause this abnormality, they are also important in the body because they help to cushion this internal organ. So they help to kind of give them support and prevent them from sliding over each other. They also help to maintain the internal temperature of the body. So they have their own function that they also present, but this fat must not exceed normal because it tends to create more danger than the benefits that they present. Also to add that these visceral fats are difficult to lose because they are kind of incorporated within the body. They are protected. They are kind of confined within this organ. Also looking at the causes of pot belly, genetics has been highlighted here. And this is to say that some are destined to have pot belly because it is in their genes. Then other causes could be eating habits, taking too much calories, like sugary drinks. So this excess sugar are converted to fat and are deposited in adipose tissue. Also alcohol, consumption of alcohol too has been established to cause pot belly. This is not a myth because when you consume alcohol, the liver then focus more on metabolizing the alcohol than metabolizing the fat that is inside the body. So it tends to prioritize metabolizing the alcohol than the fat that is in the body, thereby leaving those fats and they become accumulated and are deposited as adipose tissue. Also stress has been reported to trigger the release of cortisol, and cortisol will stimulate intense hunger, and this will increase the drive to overeat. And when you overeat, of course, you have more calories in the body than what is expected. Then hormone disorder, when hormones are imbalanced, they tend to alter body metabolic processes. And this will also lead to an increase in fat deposition. Some diseases have been linked to pot belly, and the first one is type 2 diabetes. And this occurs as a result of the body not being able to utilize insulin properly. Also heart attack. And this occurs when fats are converted to cholesterol. And cholesterol will be deposited in the walls of the blood vessels. And when this occurs, there's going to be the narrowing of the lumen of the blood vessels, thereby reducing the quantity of blood that is flowing through it. This may lead to heart attack. Then cancer. It's been reported that fat cell tends to release some chemicals that alter the configuration of cells. The cells will begin to act differently, and this can lead to cancer. Pot belly is easy to get, it is hard to lose, and of course it endangers our health. And the only way to reduce this is through diet, and this can not only work, we should also add exercise. Thanks for watching.